melee, don't run in just yet. Wait until.
Just sit back and kite really quick.
Actually, I forgot how quickly it's at phase 2. It takes ages to start. I'm gonna pull him over this way, so.
No, your accident. Watch the line.
Ah, you're pretty far away. You might want to come to this side. Oh, no.
Go ahead and get a B-res out on D-Killer, please.
Yeah, we're gonna beat him.
Those flames need to be
What's for
not
bombs?
this way.
Yeah, we need to kite.
Everybody be stacked on me. I don't have a soul stone yet. Or ritual. It's still on cooldown.
Make sure staying in the back. He stays. Make sure everybody's in range of heals.
Everybody get slightly closer to the boss once he starts.
He hops up there. This is a little RP. Alright. Get ready to lust. You know what? I realized what phone call thing I do is every time he casts a frost bomb, I hear the dial noise for a fucking phone call. It's,
You guys DSAC?
I'm just acting that.
Oh, you guys both did.
Oh, well.
Beware.
Is he gonna turn, or is he just gonna fucking
I'll
poke
get
it?
in.
Get behind him. There's flames. Don't stand in the fire. People. This is
Beware.
definitely the hardest thing.
Drew might want to trank for us.
Scoot, scoot. Alright, get mass heals out. Everybody stack on me, please.
Back up, back over. Damn.
Sorry, I was trying to get there.
No, you're good. Let's go left. Go left.
Yep, go left. Or two. You're gonna take damage there.
You're gonna have to run through.
Just run through it.
Just run through it. Dan.
Chain's getting the fire gathered. Needs to come over here and heal really quick.
Make sure we keep heals on him.
Soul portal out.
Alright.
That did.
Make sure that yeah. If you can, tricks anything that like the big bots me. I need that assault bot over here. Wait.
Me and Chain are cut off. Assault bot in the back. Pull his head down and hear me.
Angel, you have the magnetic core.
Go ahead and pull it down, please. Down.
Oh damn, we are not grouped up. We need to.
Yeah, everybody get together again.
We need to stop spreading out. Make sure we're always going left. That's where we're trying to take it.
I haven't moved one thing this days. Those fires aren't spreading. Somebody's doing a good job. Alright, we're moving right. Fires are coming.
Salt also.
Fill it. Everybody grab a lock rock while you can. Is he gonna put out the fires? Probably not.
Probably not. Let's just get
We're
over here
maxed
with
out
the
now.
Don't be afraid to move the boss all sorts of ways during this phase. All over the place.
Make sure we're focusing on percentages.
Watch out for the
Beware.
I'm gonna move the boss over here, where it's more clear. Oh, get behind him. Fuck.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh no.
Focus on dodging the fires, not killing him. Everybody move.
I'm gonna go over to the side over here.
The middle.
We
a lot
need
of
to focus in the
attention.
middle.
Yeah.
Beware.
Lower on the bottom, if you can.
Yeah,
Stop
try
it.
not to.
All right, head now.
Back
out.
Get out. Get
Back
out.
out. All right,
We're gonna have to burst.
focus the head.
Beware.
Yeah, burst it all down.
Yep. Good shit, guys. So I can try the charm tonight.
Alright. Boots? Maybe?
I don't think there's anything I can get for. Oh.